Welcome to WordPress. How do you manually overwrite the robots.txt file in WordPress? To manually overwrite or edit the robots.txt file in WordPress, go to your website root directory using FTP like FileZilla or File Manager in web hosting control panel. Check if a robots.txt file already exists there. If it does, edit it. If not, create a new file named robots.txt. This applies to all bots. This line blocks bots from crawling the admin area. This line allows access to AJAX functions needed for front end. And this is sitemap URL. It tells bots where the sitemap is for better indexing. Make sure the sitemap address is correct for your domain. After you have edited robots.txt file, save the file. If you don't want to touch the file system, you can use SEO plugins like Rank Math or Yoast. For Rank Math, from WordPress dashboard, go to Rank Math SEO, General Settings, scroll down, click Edit robots.txt file. You can add robot.txt file contents here, but physical robots.txt file won't appear in your website root directory if it isn't present there already. This is my root directory. I don't have robots.txt file right now. If robots.txt file exists in your website root directory, this code here will not work. If you want to use this area, add robots.txt file contents here and click Save Changes. If you want to edit or create a robot.txt file from WordPress dashboard, you can use Yoast SEO Premium plugin. For Yoast SEO from WordPress dashboard, go to Yoast SEO and then Tools. Click on File Editor. You will see current robots.txt file if it's present in your WordPress website. You can edit that directly from here. If there is no robot.txt file, you can create it by clicking Create robots.txt file. And here is that file with the contents. These lines with the hashes are comments. Edit this file and click Save Changes to robots.txt file. And now here we have got it, robots.txt file that was generated by using Yoast SEO Premium plugin. And this is how you can add robots.txt file from WordPress dashboard, or you can edit or create this file on your live website via FTP or File Manager in your web hosting. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.